After knowing the given, we're going to start solution. We're going to start solving na. So again, please remember ni ang formula because this is important. Okay, formula. A is equals to final velocity minus the initial velocity divided by or kanang over time. So substitute the given. Ano mga given? So 30 meter per second minus 10 meter per second over 5 second. So yung minus na to na 30 meter per second minus 10 meter per second, which is equals to 20 meter per second over 5 second. So kani i-divide lang na to ani sila 4 meter per second squared. Always remember niya kay na i-combine na to ani sila ang duha ka s. So that's all mo na yung final answer. So basically ang atong acceleration is 4 meter per second squared. So ibig sabihin kaning 10 meter per second mo increase siya in 4 meter per second squared. 4 meter per second hanggang maabot niya ang final velocity nga 30 meter per second. So, ano na yung final answer na ta? That's all.